I and Rosie the Riveter. Things like this, Levi Strauss & Co., happened because we women did it. Yes, we can.
10, 2, 5, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5. Welcome to America. Bracero program lets you in.
Hola, me llamo Pablo. ¿Tienes hambre? Yo tengo nachos. Nachos.
No, go work the field. Go work the field.
No ching chong bings.
No ching chong bing. 我要大笨椒. I want tasso.
Get out!
Fried rice.
Go away!
Chicken-
We don't like you!
chicken chow
We
mein.
don't like you!
Chicken chow mein
Go
today.
away! Go away!
$5.
Go
Large.
away.
$5.
No one likes you.
Today special.
Go away,
$2. $2.
America, land of the free, home of the power tools. We can do it.
Ask for perfume.
Natalie, you're supposed to look miserable.
Thank you, slave. Unless it's super hot.
今のすごかったよ。
We did it. What is it?
Surprise.
Come in. I love surprises. Hello?
You were asked to go to. We're taking you right now to the Japanese internment camp at Tanforan in San Bruno. You need to come with us very quickly.
We have to go to a racetrack. I don't know. Let's go. We gotta get our stuff. Let's go. We did it, by the way. This pillow right here is because of women.
あ、うちから物取んなきゃ。
あの交差点でみんながもしスキップをしてもしあの街の真ん中で手をつないで空を見上げたらもしもあの街のどこかでチャンスがつかみたいのならまだ泣くのには早いのね今前に進むしかないわいやいやポンポン出してしまえばいいの全然しないのつまらないでしょペッポンかけてリズムに乗せて
よし、じゃあもう全部あるから行こう。ここに住むのは難しかった。家族もないし、食べ物も少ないし、もうあんまりないしね。っていうかね、誰もいないし、もう本当に難しい。ローズィもいたらいいのにな。でもなんでここにいたのかわかんないし、もうローズィどこ行ったの
Because of women in America, this man is allowed to drive a car. We can do it.
First things first, I'm the realest. Drop this and let the whole world feel it. And I'm still in the murder business. I can hold you down like I'm giving lessons in physics. Right. You want a bad bitch like this? Drop it low and pick it up just like this. Cup of ace, cup of goose, cup of Chris. I heal something worth a half a ticket on my wrist. Taking all the liquor straight, never chase that. Nails on the top like we bringing 88 back.
Thank you for joining me at my tea party in Boston. Would you like some tea, ma'am?
Thank you. This is such a nice tea party in Boston. Where did you get the tea?
I got this tea in London. Would you like some tea?
I don't want some tea. I'd rather have some cake.
Bitch, put that cake back. Do you know how expensive that cake is because of the Sugar Act from London?
I hate all of these tariffs.
You know what? He's right. We need less tariffs
And more
freedom. Dude, I mean seriously, right?
Yeah.
What's up?
You just love how they're being so friendly to each other now.
Didn't you know they actually hate each other?
Look, they're so friendly.
Yeah.
Ugh, I hate Jefferson, him and his agrarian society. We need a centralized authority, not power to the states. And we also need a bank. We need a centralized bank. Come on, guys. Seriously. We need more tariffs, too.
I hate Alexander Hamilton with his damn national bank and his industrial society and his central government. I hate it!
Hey guys, did you guys know there's a new breakthrough in birth control? I don't have to have any more babies.
Psh, birth control. Who wouldn't want to have my babies?
Women don't need to get paid. You have a man for that, slut.
Alright guys, we have a new blender activity. It has to do with racial diversity.
Racial diversity.
Yeah.
So what's the game called?
It's kind of like charades. We're all gonna have something on a card. We're gonna put it on our forehead, and we all have to we all have to guess what it is.
Okay.
Alright, let's go!
Let's go. So, this racial diversity, I don't want to play it. Just give me worst stereotype you can think of. Let me get this over with.
Well, based on stereotypes I firmly believe in, you'd suck at driving.
Am I a woman?
No. You built our railroads and you didn't get credit.
Black people.
No, you do my laundries every Wednesday.
Oh, you do mine on Wednesday.
Chinese. We're Chinese?
Yeah!
Chinese. Yeah.
Hey guys, do me next.
Oh, I got you. Trail of Tears.
What?
Okay, fine. Casinos.
Native Americans.
There you go. Got it.
Oh. Okay, I'm done, but you want to get out, right? So, I'll just give you the worst stereotypes. Let's see. You guys don't like to randomly get into gang fights.
Blacks?
No.
Oh.
You take your native language class and you get a B.
Keep going.
Your name Chata and Jella and Gemma.
You like your nanas and your noons and your ninas.
Mexicans.
Yes!
Every time I see your bubbly face,
We did it!
starts in my toes and I crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. I'm a boss, bitch. I'm a boss, bitch. I'm a boss.
Tea party in Boston.
This is such a nice.
It
nice.
is
Oh wait, no.
in Boston. Welcome to my tea party in Boston.
You didn't emphasize.
Your areolas are right there and there. Come on, put your earring
Tuck
on.
that shirt, you slut!
From London. Do you understand?
I don't understand.
We are at a tea party in Boston.
I hate how you English people, with all the tea and all the sugar added.
What is this? Oh, you gotta Tariffs.
Tariffs.
Are needed for our economy.